Hi guys, today we're going to be opening Labubus and Sunny Angels. And right here is our Sunny Angel package. We're going to open this one. And these are Coke Labubus, I believe so. So let's get to opening the Sunny Angels. We got 4 or 3 Sunny Angels in here. I don't remember. But let's see if we get secret. Can see?
Yeah, secret.
We got the new Rainy Days. These are the new 2025 I Love Rainy Day Sunny Angel series. So for these, there's 6 different kinds, and then it may contain a secret.
Yes.
Like Robbie, a secret, an axolotl, an elephant, a hippopotamus, a goldfish, a duck, and a frog. So we got 3 of these.
Okay.
We got 3 I Love Rainy Day series. And then we got a fruit series. Very cute. So which one do you think we should open first? This one? I think we should open this one first.
No, one of them.
One of these first. And
Can
then
you
this
shake
one.
them?
We're hoping for, I'm hoping for the axolotl. What are you hoping for?
The secret bunny.
Oh wait, yeah, the secret has a bunny.
And for
Robbie. I want the Robbie. The Robbie's cute. Look, he may bring you happiness. He may bring us happiness.
Ponlo más cerca.
He may bring you happiness, guys.
Déjalo leer. Sophia, what she think? What she got? What you think? What she will have, Sophia? Oh, shake it, shake it. Don't feel it. Just open it. Close your eyes. We only can see. Oh my God!
We got that elephant. So cute. You see these ones? They're not like, what's it called? Like, they have shine to it. Like,
Let me see.
they're shiny.
Oh my God!
Oh, we got the one on the front.
The one in the front. Look, Sophia.
Oh,
dear. It's so cute.
oh, dear, my peeping.
Yeah.
Okay, time for the fruit series.
Give it back to
As
Taylor.
this one, as you saw in the last video, we got the pineapple. And then we want the apple or the strawberry. You see?
Yeah.
Okay, shake. For this one, this is the
I
same
want the
fruits.
bok choy too.
You
That
have-
one is the bok choy?
This isn't. Bok choy is vegetable.
Okay. Hopefully I get the strawberry
Strawberry,
or
peach.
or orange.
Oh, the orange one is cute.
The
The
orange,
apple.
The apple.
Okay.
Close your eyes, Taylor. Sophia, what do you think she will get? Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Let's see. Oh no.
She's happy because she's been wanting the strawberry for
Yeah.
like a really long time. And look what she
Oh
got!
my
Oh, I love it. So,
my
it's time for our second
He's so cute, huh?
for our second rainy day. I'm the mom, and I think I'm going to get the axolotl. She's the grandma. What do you think we're gonna get?
You know what I want, right?
The secret.
So I want the secret or the pink one. What is the pink one?
Axolotl.
Okay, excellent.
Sophie, you're the auntie. What do you think we're gonna get? The duck?
Which one you like to get? The hippo?
The hippo.
Okay, yeah.
me.
Give it her back, so she gonna open.
Okay.
You
this-
opened a labubu yesterday.
Yeah, she opened a labubu and she got Dada. Okay.
Oh my God! I can still believe. Oh my God. Ah!
Oh, the frog!
The frog is so
That's a
cute.
cheese. That's a cheese.
A ver, enséñala. She wanna see it. Let me see. Oh, the frog. Boom, 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 boom. Hi, Sophia. This is the frog. Can you show the frog? Show me the frog. Can I see it? Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me give it back to Taylor so the frog can be in the video, okay? Bye, Sophie. See you in a little bit. Kiss, kiss. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom.
For our last rainy day, I really want to get the duck or the secret or the Robbie. So let's hope for the best.
Oh my God.
Let's see if we get a good pop. Oh, that was a good one. Close your eyes. You close your eyes too. I get to look first. So cute.
Oh my God. What is color? Ah, Sophia. Sophia, you guessing it comes true. Oh my God. There's an hippo. Hi, Sophia. That was you wanted, so now it's yours.
Oh, she's saying hi. Okay, Sophie, dámelo. So these are our rainy day ones that we got. And then for my mom, her very lucky, happy one, the strawberry. So now
Yeah.
we're going to open the big into energy. So we could get love, hope, serenity, luck, happiness, loyalty, or
Oh,
secret.
just wait for that. I want to keep that
Oh,
secret.
okay.
Just start with a big box.
Okay, so we're gonna open this. We're gonna see if we can get a secret because these are Coca Boo-Boos. We got them on the website. It was really hard to get, right? Okay, let's see what we get. Oh my gosh. And here we have 2 boxes of the Coca Boo-Boos. Wow, they're actually really big. I didn't think they were gonna be this big. Ama, wait, los abro de abajo. De arriba porque las de estas no tienen la. Oh, yes, they do.
Let me see. Oh my God.
They're big.
They're big boxes.
Wow, nice. Wow, cute.
Oh my God.
Okay, she's looking at them right now. Okay, let me see. I like. Oh my God, this is so cute.
These are big. Oh no, Taylor, you can
I can
just
it from the
open like
top.
this. Look.
Se lo quitaste. Sí. Taylor, close her eyes.
Oh, flower.
Let's see what we
you
got.
a little bit. Let's see what she got. Oh my God!
We got Happy Factor.
This is so cute.
Let's open him. This is
We
our
got
Happy
this
Factor
one.
Coca-Cola.
Oh my God, let me see. Oh, Sophia want to see. Oh my God. This is so cute.
And this is his card.
The car is super cute
Yeah.
too. It's nice.
Let me see.
You want to drink that drink?
Yeah.
Like this. These are so
Mama.
cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my God.
I have to change.
She said, I love